To stake on Crypto.com DeFi wallet, you need to understand the basics of staking and the Crypto.com ecosystem. Staking involves holding and locking up a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the validation of transactions on a blockchain network. And in return, you earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. First, you need to download and install the Crypto.com DeFi wallet application on your mobile device. Once installed, create a new wallet or restore an existing one using your recovery phrase. Make sure to store your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location, as it is the key to accessing your wallet. After setting up your wallet, you need to fund it with the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Crypto.com supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including CRO, ETH, and BTC. You can purchase these cryptocurrencies directly within the app or transfer them from an external wallet. To start staking, navigate to the DeFi Earn section within the app and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Choose the staking option that suits your needs, such as flexible or locked staking. Flexible staking allows you to withdraw your funds at any time, while locked staking requires you to lock up your funds for a specified period in exchange for higher rewards. Enter the amount you want to stake and confirm the transaction. The staking process will begin immediately, and you will start earning rewards. You can track your staking rewards and balance within the app. It is essential to understand the risks associated with staking, such as market volatility and smart contract risks. Make sure to only stake what you can afford to lose and diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Best practices for staking on Crypto.com DeFi wallet include regularly reviewing and adjusting your staking portfolio, keeping your wallet and recovery phrase secure, and staying up to date with the latest developments in the Crypto.com ecosystem. By following these steps and best practices, you can earn passive income through staking on Crypto.com DeFi wallet.